grade 3s, I really hope that you enjoyed yesterday's lesson about dividing. Today I'm going to teach you a different way to divide. And yes, this is me, this is my face, and I am underneath this mask, but we all have to wear it because of COVID-19, so I'm going to have to put it on. But I just wanted you to see my face and for me to say, hi, it's Miss B. So I hope that you guys are all smiling and happy at home today. Right, so I'm going to put on my mask. Okay, we just have to get used to this. Okay. There's another way in your activity 40 today. They're teaching you a different way to divide at the top of the page. And that is the way of dividing using subtraction, by taking away numbers from the big number to eventually find out how many times we have to take away to get to 0. Okay, so let's see how many times we have to take away to get to 0. Now they want us to divide by 4. So what we have to do is we have to say 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4, that would make that 16. Okay, so then we have to minus another 4. So minus another 4 would make that 12. Minus another 4, that would make that 8. Minus another 4, that would make our answer sit close to 4. Minus another 4, well, that would be 0. We would eventually get to 0. So how many 4s did we have to take away to get to 0? So we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That means that there's 5 4s make 20. Can you see that? So that means that if we had to put it in a sum, if we say 20 divided by 4, it would equal 5. I hope everyone understands that. I'll do another one here. Okay, so we've got 25, and they want us to divide it by 5. So we're going to take away 5s until we get to 0. Okay, so 25 minus 5, that will be 20. Minus another 5, that will be 15. Minus another 5, that will be 10. Minus another 5, that will be, and minus another 5, that will give us our 0. So let's see how many 5s we have to take away to get to 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means that 25 divided by 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's another way of dividing that you can use. If you don't want to use the daddy, mommy, sister, brother method for now, you can use this method as well. Another method that you can use if you are feeling really stuck is just to take your times table. So like let's say 5 times 5 is equal to 25. You all have your times table charts. Okay? What we do is we go backwards. We can go 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. We just take the sum and we put it backwards. I'll do it another one over here. So we can have, say, 40. We can have 4 times 10 equals 40. Then we go backwards. 40 divided by 10 is equal to 4. So that's another way that you can tell if you have your multiplication charts with you. You can just go backwards. Take the answer divided by that number, it must equal that. And even here you can switch it around. You can say 40 divided by 4 is equal to 10. See how we just switch those two numbers around. Okay, so there is another way of doing this, and it's a little bit long, and you guys did this at the very beginning of the year. And that is just to have, let's say you have 12 sweets and you have 3 friends. They're all their smiley faces. And you have to share your 12 sweets with your 3 friends. So all you have to do is draw the 12 sweets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you just have to give 1 to each child. So there's 1. There's 1, there's 1, there's 1, there's 1. Sorry. hope you can all see what I'm doing. So now, we see we've run out of sweets. We've given them all to friends. We've crossed the sweets out. There's no more sweets left. Now we count how many sweets our friends have. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as we can see, each friend got 12 sweets, which means that 12 sweets divided into groups of 3 for 3 friends means that each child would get 4 sweets each, or each friend would get 4 sweets each. So those are the different ways to divide today. For your next activity, you have to do your times tables and your dividing, and you can use whichever method that you feel that you understand best. It's really up to you. You will need to know this method, daddy, mommy, sister, brother, the method from yesterday. So I suggest that you make sure that you feel comfortable with it and watch the video again. But for now, if you're having trouble, these are the ways to divide. I wish you good luck in doing all your sums. Work carefully. And yes, I miss you so much, grade 3s.